Are you tired of those sneaky, hidden fees eating into your small business budget? Do you feel like every time you turn around, another little charge pops up, chipping away at your hard-earned money? If you're using Patriot or considering it for your accounting and payroll needs, you're probably already thinking about cost efficiency. And that's smart. Because while Patriot software is renowned for its affordability and user-friendly interface, especially for small businesses, understanding its pricing structure and knowing how to strategically use its features can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. Patriot software offers a compelling solution for small and medium-sized businesses looking to streamline their accounting and payroll processes without breaking the bank. It's often lauded for its transparent pricing, which is a breath of fresh air in an industry where convoluted fee structures are all too common. But transparent doesn't necessarily mean free, and even with clear pricing, there are always ways to optimize your usage to minimize your outgoings. This isn't about finding loopholes or trying to cheat the system, it's about being an informed consumer and making the most intelligent choices for your business. Think about it. Every dollar saved on software fees is a dollar that can be reinvested into your business, whether it's for marketing, product development, or even a well-deserved bonus for your team. So, let's dive deep into how you can effectively avoid or reduce fees when using Patriot software. We'll explore everything from understanding their core pricing plans to leveraging their free features and making smart decisions about add-ons. By the end of this, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to navigate Patriot's offerings like a pro, ensuring you get maximum value without any unexpected surprises. First, let's establish a foundational understanding of Patriot's pricing models. They primarily offer two main categories, accounting software and payroll software, each with different tiers. For accounting software, you'll typically see Accounting Basic. This plan is designed for fundamental accounting needs, covering income and expense tracking, unlimited customers and invoices, unlimited vendors and payments, automatic bank imports, and robust financial reporting. It's a solid foundation for businesses that need to keep their books organized. Accounting Premium. Building on the basic plan, Premium offers additional functionalities like user-based permissions, creating and sending estimates, recurring invoices, invoice payment reminders, and managing receipts and documents. This is for businesses with slightly more complex accounting requirements or those who need to collaborate with multiple users. Then there's the payroll software. Basic Payroll. This self-service option lets you run unlimited payrolls, provides free direct deposit, a free employee portal, and handles accurate tax calculations. With this plan, you're responsible for filing your own payroll taxes. Full-service payroll. This is the hands-off approach. It includes all the features of basic payroll, but Patriot takes on the responsibility of collecting, depositing, and filing your federal, state, and local payroll taxes. Year-end tax filing is also included. Beyond these core plans, Patriot also offers various add-ons like time and attendance and HR software, each with its own per employee or per month pricing. Now that we have a clear picture of what Patriot offers, let's get into the actionable strategies for avoiding or minimizing fees. Strategy 1. Choose the right plan for your needs, no overkill. This is perhaps the most fundamental and impactful step. Don't pay for features you don't need. For accounting, if you're a solopreneur or a very small business with straightforward income and expense tracking, the Accounting Basic plan is likely sufficient. Why pay for user-based permissions or recurring invoices if you don't have multiple users or subscription-based clients? Regularly assess your accounting needs. As your business grows, you can always upgrade to Accounting Premium. The key is to avoid paying for excess capacity from day one. Patriot's pricing is monthly, so there's no long-term contract, making it easy to adjust your plan as your business evolves. For payroll, the decision between basic payroll and full-service payroll hinges entirely on your comfort level with tax filing. If you're confident in handling your own federal, state, and local payroll tax filings, and you have the time and expertise to stay compliant, then basic payroll will save you a significant amount of money each month. The primary difference in cost between the two plans often comes down to the tax filing service. However, if tax compliance feels overwhelming, or if you simply don't have the bandwidth, then the full service option is a worthwhile investment to avoid costly penalties down the line. It's a trade-off between a monthly fee and potential fines for missed deadlines or incorrect filings. For many small business owners, the peace of mind offered by full-service payroll is invaluable, even if it comes at a higher monthly cost. Consider the potential cost of an error that could be far more than the monthly fee for full service. Strategy 2. Leverage the free trial and discounts. Patriot software often offers a 30-day free trial. This isn't just a marketing gimmick, it's a crucial opportunity to test drive the software and confirm it meets your needs before committing. During your free trial, actively use the features you think you'll need. Run a mock payroll, create some invoices, track expenses. This hands-on experience will help you determine if the chosen plan is truly the right fit and if you're comfortable with the interface. Furthermore, keep an eye out for promotional discounts. Patriot frequently offers 50% off for the first 3 months of subscription. This can significantly reduce your initial outlay and give you a longer runway to adapt to the software and ensure it's a good fit for your long-term needs. Always check their website or inquire with their sales team about any ongoing promotions before signing up. Strategy 3. Be strategic with add-ons. Patriot offers add-ons like time and attendance and HR software. While these can be incredibly valuable, they also add to your monthly cost. Time and attendance. Do you truly need Patriot's integrated time tracking? If you have a small team with consistent hours, or if you already use a free or very low-cost time tracking solution that exports data easily, you might not need this add-on. Manually entering hours into payroll might take a few extra minutes, but if it saves you a recurring monthly fee, it could be worth it. However, for businesses with hourly employees, varying schedules, or a need for detailed time reports, the time and attendance add-on can prevent errors and save significant administrative time, thus providing value that outweighs its cost. The current cost is $6 per month plus $2 per employee, so calculate if the savings in time and accuracy justify this expense for your specific workforce. HR software. Patriot's HR software offers features like an HR dashboard, law alerts, employee handbooks, and HR document templates. If you have a robust HR department or use a different HR solution, this add-on might be redundant. For very small businesses, many HR functions can be managed with basic templates and online resources. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.